Understanding the phrase, play hardball, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, play hardball. This expression is commonly used in both casual and professional settings, so understanding its meaning and usage can be incredibly helpful in improving your English skills. Let's get started. Play hardball is an idiom that originates from the sport of baseball. In baseball, a hardball refers to the solid, hard ball used in the game. This contrasts with softball, a similar sport that uses a softer, larger ball. The phrase, play hardball, emerged as a metaphor from this sport. When someone decides to play hardball, they are choosing to act in a firm and compromising, or even aggressive manner to achieve their goals. It implies a no-nonsense approach where the person is serious, determined, and perhaps even willing to engage in tough tactics. To help you understand better, here are some examples of play hardball in sentences. In business negotiations, you sometimes need to play hardball to get the best deal. The lawyer played hardball to ensure his client's victory in court. When it comes to enforcing rules, our manager doesn't hesitate to play hardball. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary. Here are a few related to play hardball. Stand firm, take a hard line, be uncompromising. When using this phrase, remember, it's often used in professional or competitive contexts. Ensure the situation warrants a firm or tough approach. Be aware of the cultural nuances. In some cultures, this approach might be less acceptable. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, play hardball. We hope you found this explanation helpful and that it adds a new dimension to your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is a journey, so keep practicing and exploring. Until next time, happy learning!